doing these ones. What the fuck just happened? What do we watch? I thought it was fantastic. I was really hoping you had someone like out there trying to put that brassiere on for you or something. I thought something big was going to happen, and then you fucked it up. All right.
Hey, Danny, you know, it's good to know. I'm so pleased you took time out of your very, very busy AGT schedule to come in and have a little tap for us. But if Mini Cooper ever goes down the next week, you've got a fill-in. Well done. I love the fact you did a song about titsy and tits are about halfway down your body, though. Good job, Danny. I love the fact you threw yourself into the number. You always throw yourself into every number, and it scares us and it really excites us. So well done. Thank you.
Hey, well done, Fiona.
And the busy week that you've just had with your work and all the shows and everything that you've done, rehearsing a number that was given to you last week, that was perfect. That was absolutely perfect. Showed your strengths, and you should keep that number in your repertoire.
Oh, okay. What do you think?
Oh, look, I enjoyed it because I enjoy watching you, Matani. You have great energy. I don't think we needed the tap shoes because it didn't really add anything. It was just kind of an annoying sound that was pissing me off because I'm coming down like a motherfucker. But no, I think other than that, I like the creative use of going out the back because like this bit's too fast to learn, so I'm going to go out the back off stage, not show my face, and then no one will know I didn't know the words. That's a wise move.
I'll be really honest. I'll be really honest. You know what happened? I asked somebody to record the YouTube version, and I got the track today, and I got from the 250 minute, I got the 350 minute by mistake. So being like, you know, up on it and being ahead of my game, I kind of thought, okay, the only thing I could do was run to the back of the toilet and pretend that something was going on.
No, but you know what? You did right. No, I don't care. It was all good, love. You had a gay time, and I enjoyed the gay time. And you know, it's a hard song to learn in a week. So I give you props for doing what you did. So, and you look very gay again. You always look gay. So thank you. I really enjoyed it.
Great, thanks.